Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger SUV, and the color is called Alpine White. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your rear vision camera. You also have your fully automatic headlights with automatic high beams, and you have your heated door mirrors for those winter months. But there's a ton happening on the inside, so why don't we head on in and take a look at some of your interior features. Helping you into your RAV is this handy dandy key and fob. On your fob you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicator. That's going to be really great if you're driving in heavy traffic or if you're on the highway. We're just going to open this up and we'll take a look at the interior. Lots of space to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have some storage here on the driver's side door along with a cup holder. You also have your power windows and your locks, and your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel there, along with your interior lighting and your lane departure warning. So taking a little bit of further look in, you do have two sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. You have this really, really comfortable interior. So I'm just going to hop on in. We'll start it up. A little bit more information about some more safety features and some more technology features. So nice ambient lighting, nothing crazy, so it's nice and easy to look at. Moving a little bit further back, you do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons here on the left, along with your hands-free calling and your voice command and your mode changer. And then on the right-hand side, this is going to control your information display. So this is going to be, again, your lane departure alert, your pre-collision settings, things like that, your gas mileage, a whole bunch of really great stuff, your messages, lots of great stuff here just at the push of a button. You also have your trip computer. Now here is your radar dynamic radar cruise control, so that's going to work in conjunction with your regular cruise control just back here, and this is how you set the distance to the vehicle ahead of you, and your RAV4 will maintain that distance, accelerate and decelerate, nice and easy for you to maintain that distance. Now let's take a look at the entertainment system, really important. Now we do have everything that you're going to want. You do have your AM FM radio, you have your Bluetooth audio, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. And then you have your audio input and your USB if you have a different MP3 player that you'd like to listen to, and you still have your CD player there as well. Now there's a lot of information in this section as well. It's going to give you your trip information, again, your gas mileage, things like that. Moving a bit further down is the climate control. You do have your air conditioning for those warm summer months, and then below that for the cold winter months, we have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger, and you also have your windshield wiper defrost, so that's going to be really handy. You have your two different driving modes, and you have a 12-volt DC plug-in if you have any other devices you'd like to charge, along with your audio input and your USB. A little bit of storage right down here for you. Moving a little bit further back, you have a couple of cup holders, and again, you do have that sport mode, really fun to drive that way. And then right in here is a double-decker center console, so you can hold some smaller items at the top and some larger items at the bottom. So that's going to be really handy for you as well. And then taking a look in the large glove compartment, you can carry all of the manuals that you're going to need, any other information that you'd like to keep with you. And then your passenger has this really nice little shelf here. They can carry some smaller items with them as well. And then you have this great stitching all along the interior. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your RAV4 now, lots of great stuff going on back here as well. You do have that rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather that we all know and love. You also have your rear vision camera, as I had mentioned, just here. And we're going to open this up here and we'll take a look at the cargo space and some accessories that come with it. So right away you can see it comes with this awesome cargo cover. So we're just going to pull this back. And lots of room. Right under here is your spare tire, with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. So, you know, gosh forbid anything happened to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And I am going to put these seats down just so you can see how much cargo space there is with those seats folded flat. So there's the first seat down, and as you can see, because it's a 60/40 rear bench seat, you can fit something a little bit longer and still fit 2 passengers comfortably in the back. And there's the second seat folded down nice and flat for you, so you can fit a ton of stuff in here. And I want to show you another great feature. Your cargo cover actually fits nicely under this hatch here, so you can carry it with you. You don't have to store it in your garage or in your apartment. You can carry it with you and use it whenever you need. And when you're finished loading up all of your gear, we'll just close this back up here for you and give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. We'll finish up by giving you a final view of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. You can see those tinted windows in the back, giving your passengers and your cargo just a bit of privacy. And there's lots happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around. So come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, ask all of the questions, see what kind of warranties are available to you. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching. And until we see you, drive safe.